Here I am with my new Htc Touch Cruise phone. It looks pretty nice. You can see it here. Very nice. Nice details. The 3.0 megapixel camera in the back. Volume button. It's nice. Come back to that later. And here we have the box. I guess this is a carrying case. I'm not sure it's leather or what it is. The installation CD and headphones with a little remote on. Yeah. And I guess this is just the CD and the manual. I don't care. I don't read the manual unless I have to. Cable to the computer. USB. Yeah. And the charger. Yeah. I wonder why it's only Nokia N95 that have a really small charger that much easier to carry around. So yeah, that's the box and here's the phone. So I will just put a SIM card and tape me starting it up first time. Okay, see you later.